Hello students, welcome to my channel RS Mathematics. And as you know, in the earlier class, that is in previous class, we already discussed about how to solve the pair of linear equation in graphically. But in today class, we will discuss about what type of solution will give the pair of linear equation and how can you find their solution. So before that, please like my video and subscribe my video. If you like, then I will be happy for that. So today we will discuss about what kind of solution will give the pair of linear equation. We know that there are two methods for finding the solution of pair of linear equation. One is graphical method, another is algebraic method. But we know that the standard form of linear pair of equation is a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. From that equation, we have to check what kind of solution will give the pair of linear equation. So first condition is if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Suppose you take any two equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 4, 4x plus 7y equal to 8. Suppose you take these two pair of linear equation and we have to check these two pair of linear equation which type of solution will give. That is, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the solution is unique. Solution is unique. That is, it gives only one solution. Only one solution. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the solution is known as unique solution, or it is known as it gives only one solution. In graphically it is intersecting lines. In graphically it is intersecting lines. In the previous video we cleared that pair of linear equation always gives a straight line, two straight line, and two straight line will give what type of solution. We check one by one from this condition. So if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, in graphically we check on graph paper that two lines are intersecting at one point. That means it gives only one solution. So here we take an example. Example is 2x plus 3y equal to 4, 4x plus 7y equal to 8. Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 4, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to 7, c2 equal to 8. So here a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4, b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 7. So we clear that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, because 2 by 4 is not equal to 3 by 7. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. That means these two equations gives unique solution. Unique solution means in graphically suppose one equation gives this straight line, another equation gives this straight line. So it gives only one solution. That means it will intersect at one point. So we already say that in graphically the two equations are intersecting lines. Here intersecting lines. That means it gives unique solution. So first condition we clear that from these two equations. Again we are going to second condition. So for second condition we take two equations. Similar equation a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. We take for second condition, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then what kind of solution will give this pair of linear equation? So if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it will give infinitely many solutions. Then it will give infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. In graphically, it is coincident line. In graphically, it is coincident line. Coincident line means one line after another line. One line after another. Two lines are going to one single line. That is known as coincident line. That means two line will meet at one line. So, for example, if 2x plus 3y equal to 4, 4x plus 6y equal to 8. Suppose you take the pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 4, 4x plus 6y equal to 8. And we have to check that what type of solution will give this pair of linear equation. So for that, we already know that if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it will give infinitely many solutions. That means coincident lines. And we take an example, 2x plus 3y equal to 4, 4x plus 6y equal to 8. Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 4, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to 8. So here you clear that a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4. That means 1 by 2. That means if we cancel 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 6. If we cancel, it also gives 1 by 2. Again, if we take c1 by c2, then 4 by 8. So it will also give 1 by 2. That means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. That means all three points are equal. So all are equal means it is infinitely many solutions. That means these two pair of linear equation will give infinitely many solutions. That is known as coincident lines. If you see it in or check it in graph paper, then if one line goes on this type, then another line also on this line. So these are known as coincident line. One line after another line, that is known as coincident line, because all are equal. All are equal means two lines are equal, so it is known as coincident line. So if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, it will give infinitely many solutions. So it is very important in CBSE board examination. It will come in 1 mark questions or 2 mark questions, either unique solution or infinite many solution or no solution. So third case is if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it will give no solution. That means suppose first two SU are equal, but third one is not equal, then it will give no solution. That is in graphically it is parallel. In graphically it is parallel. That means two lines are parallel. So if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then two lines are automatically parallel. So we have to check whether the solution will give parallel or not. So for that we take an example 2x plus 3y equal to 7, 4x plus 6y equal to 8. So for this example, a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 7. And from second equation, A2 equal to 4, B2 equal to 6, C2 equal to 8. So you have to check A1 by A2 first. A1 by A2, that means 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. 2, 4 cancel, that is 1 by 2. B1 by B2 equal to 3 by 6. 3, 6 cancel, that is equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 equal to 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is not cancel here. So that is equal to 7 by 8. That means first two ratio are equal, but third one is not equal. That means here we get A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. Clear? All of you clear from this figure and from this line? A1 by A2 1 by 2, B1 by B2 1 by 2, but C1 by C2 equal to 7 by 2, which is not equal. So that means this equation will give no solution. This equation will give no solution. That is, two lines are parallel. If you solve this equation, and how to solve these two equations, you already clear from the previous video and from previous class. All of you know. If anyone not seen the previous video, you must be checked. You may check the video. Then comes to the second part of the graphical method video. And today I will discuss here the second part of graphical method, which is the most important in CBSE board examination. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. That is parallel. Condition is parallel. So that is equal to, here we get A1 by A2 1 by 2, B1 by B2 1 by 2, C1 by C2 7 by 8. Parallel. That means in the graph paper you can see that here is one line, another line is here is. So that means two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. So two lines are parallel means we clear that no solution. So sometimes in examination it will come, if two equations are parallel, then what is the value of K, what is the value of P, or check whether the equations are parallel or not. So we must remember two names, that is no solution or parallel. Question will come either no solution or parallel. If two equations are parallel, then what is the value of K? Or question will become, if two equations will not give no solution, then what is the value of K? So we have to remember two names for each solution. That means first one is unique solution, or otherwise known as it is intersecting lines. Second one is infinite many solution, or otherwise it is known as coincident lines. In graphically it is known as coincident lines. In algebraically it is known as infinite many solution. Third one is in algebraically known as no solution, but in graphically it is known as parallel. So if question, first we check the question. What type of question will ask in examination, whether it is in algebraically or in graphically. First see the question or read the question carefully and write the answer. So this is the three conditions. But from these three conditions, first we write again solution. First one is unique solution. Second one is infinitely many solution. Third one is no solution. So these three types of solution we already discussed here. But from these three solutions, we check whether the equations are consistent or inconsistent. This is the most important part. Consistent or inconsistent. So when we say a pair of linear equations are consistent, or when we say a pair of linear equation is inconsistent. So consistent means it must give one solution. It may be one solution or infinitely many solutions. Inconsistent means it will not give any solution, that is no solution. So from these criteria we clear that consistent means either unique solution or infinitely many solutions. So consistent means it is unique or infinitely many solution. Infinite many solution. That means if a solution if a pair of linear equation gives unique solution or infinitely many solution, then it is consistent. Or if a pair of linear equation gives no solution, that is known as inconsistent. That means inconsistent solution which always give no solution. So sometimes the question will be asked in CBSE board examination: if pair of linear equation, two pair of linear equation gives no solution, then what type of solution will be arise in this questions? So it will be arise in option multiple question may be come in multiple question, consistent, inconsistent, no solution, none of these. So if it will not give any solution, that is no solution, then it is automatically inconsistent. From the definition we clear that if solution will not find, that is no solution, then it is known as inconsistent. So here we clear that unique solution, infinitely many solution will give always consistent solution, and no solution or parallel solution is always give inconsistent solution. So this is the method of solution of pair of linear equation in the graphical method. In the previous video or in previous class, we already discussed how to solve the pair of linear equation graphically. It will come in 2 marks question or 3 marks question in CBSE board examination. And how to find, already we discussed in the previous video. We draw the table of first straight line, first line, and we draw the table of second line, and we'll draw the graph on the graph paper and check whether it will give what type of solution and how to find the solution by solving these two equations. And here we discuss what type of solution will give this the pair of linear equation. So there are three solutions: unique solution, infinitely many solution, no solution. It may give unique solution or infinitely many solution or no solution. And if it will give unique solution and infinitely many solution, so it is consistent, and if it is no solution, then it is inconsistent. So this is all about graphical method. Then in next video or next class we will discuss about algebraic method, how to solve algebraically the pair of linear equation. So this is the class of today. This is the end of the today's class. You will see